I'm Colin Glowinski. I'm a systems designer here at ATS Automation. Right now we are working through a POP for a customer. POP stands for a proof of principle. So we are replicating a customer process here in our facility to understand the process more, as well as observe any process changes that we're making to their process. In this case, their current process is very old and very unknown. So we are going through a bit of a discovery phase with the process, as well as testing what our final automation is going to do and how that reacts with their product. Some of the advantages of proof of principle are being able to understand the process more than just in discussions, getting hands-on, me and the other systems designers and anyone else in the department, and being able to understand it and work with it and make modifications to better it that maybe the customer hasn't had the time to go through, as well as develop new processes and add steps here and there to make the end result even better. The advantage is that they get a report out at the end that has all of the results, and this makes, when they buy a full automation machine, makes it easier to go through that debug process and gives them more confidence in our ability to execute their processes or modified processes. Some of the challenges we're trying to overcome in this specific application has to do with complex movements. So currently this process is very manual. The operators are loading parts to the assembly and they're dispensing manually. So in this case, we are looking at taking a path of using automation, hence the 6-axis robot, to kind of mimic the operator movement. And we'll go through that process, changing the motions and making sure that our process, automated process in the end, lines up with our manual process. Some aspects of this project that are exciting to work with and come in every day is just the unknown of how these processes work and better understanding the customer process. It's always something seeing it on a URS or a document of them describing it, but really seeing it and working with it and understanding it, learning something new every day about a million different processes that go on here.